Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this boho braided updo. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting and left a few pieces of hair out to soften the look. Next, we're going to section off the crown area of the hair and just brush this back to make it nice and smooth and secure it with a clear elastic band. Add some texture powder to the crown area. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below. And then all we're going to do is use our fingers to pinch and pull small sections of hair to give it a nice messy look. Then use a touch of hairspray to secure everything in place. Next, we're going to take a section of hair from the side that has the least hair and we're going to bring it round to the back and then just twist it over that little ponytail and secure it to the head with a bobby pin or two. Now we're going to take another small section from the bottom right hand side, bring it up to join the last section and pin it to the head with a few more bobby pins. Add some more of your texture powder and pinch and pull at the hair so you've got the same messy volume on the side. Next, we're going to take a small slice of hair from the opposite side just above the ear and we're going to split this into 3 equal sections. And we're going to do a lace braid, so we're going to cross the left strand over the middle strand and then the right strand over the middle strand. Then we're going to cross the left strand over the middle strand, but this time we're going to take a small slice of hair and cross it over to join that middle strand. Then cross the right strand over the middle strand without adding any hair. So left strand, cross it over the middle strand, add a small slice of hair and cross that over to join the middle strand, and then cross the right hand strand over the middle strand without adding any hair. Then we're going to keep braiding until we run out of hair, but make sure that you hold your braid about midway up the back of the head. Once you run out of hair, just carry on braiding into a regular 3-strand braid. Tie off your braid with a clear elastic band, but on the last loop of that elastic band, don't pull the hair all the way through, just pull it part way through so you create a small loop. Then all we're going to do is take the end of that braid and then just tuck it underneath and hold it up against the head and pin on the right hand side with a few bobby pins. To keep everything nice and secure, we're just going to push that braided section towards the head and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Add some more of your texture powder all over that braided section. Gently use your fingers to pinch and pull at the very edge of the top of that braid all the way round to the back of the head. And then just repeat this on the underside of the braid as well. Next, just gently pinch and pull at the sections that were crossed over from the nape of the neck. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.